welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, it's the new month. You're still chilling with me, your ultimate babe, because you goddess, and there's so much happening. I'm going to tell you, but in the moment, let me just pour some water over this chicken because this is a good time. I don't know, should I just vlog and then we'll talk, because I want it to be a change here, but I guess we'll talk tomorrow. Yeah. So let me just, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. You read to see what's in here because we're about to drink and eat, and I have my ring light here because I'm thinking TikTok. Yeah. I was about to go to Freimachen to buy the rest of the things, and then I have a fucking surprise. So we're going to do the unboxing together. Okay, am I appearing? Correct? Correct. Why kahedinyane? Why? Ke di thabetse je ke tla. Ba ntse ba re ke a nna. Okay. Is it the perfect size? Oh my god!
How much is this for those? I almost done.
What shall I say?
Here are two.
Good. So I had planned to go to Orangeville today, but it feels like it's already late and I feel like it's unnecessary. I don't want to sleep over. Like I don't want to sleep over anymore. Like it's pointless. So I think I'm gonna go on Monday. So it feels like it's been so long since I vlogged, and I think it's going to be worse because I got myself like a small vlogging camera, but I don't think it's going to help me at all because I'm shy. Like imagine I was shy carrying the phone around, now imagine carrying a whole camera on a tripod, and it doesn't, like, I don't see myself, it doesn't have like a flap screen, like It's so difficult. So my head has been itching since morning. I woke up and I found a spider on my bed and I was like, Jesus Christ. But then I cleaned. So what happened here? I don't understand. So yeah, today is Friday. I haven't been doing a lot. Like I told you guys that I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more because I'm not doing anything to be specific. So I promised you guys a sit down. I think I might do that sit down today. I don't know. I'm not promising you anything, but yeah.